everyone, today we're going to make some shortbread. For this recipe you'll need 115 grams of icing sugar, 140 grams of butter, 180 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, some extract, I'm using lemon extract, and some candied lemon peel. Now you can use shop bought candied lemon peel, but I made this myself by slicing up a couple of lemons, cutting those bits in half, and then just boiling them 3 times, then boiling them for a long time in sugar water, and then let them sit in sugar. So, first of all, you need to cream together the butter, and your extract. Then you add your icing sugar, and your salt. Mix it until it's well combined. Then get a spatula and just scrape down the bowl. Then start beating the mix on low while adding in the flour. Then scrape down the bowl and mix it again. Now I'm going to add the candied lemon peel and mix. Then get your dough and some cling film, shape it into a rectangular prism, and then put it in the fridge for at least an hour. Okay, so it's been in the fridge for about 2 hours and it's time to cut it into slices, dust it with a little bit of sugar and then bake it. Okay, so load those all onto the baking tray, I guess. It's quite a few. Need another baking tray actually. Just go and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got another baking tray. Load these ones on. Cool, so I think we just let those sit for a couple of minutes and then put them in the oven. Okay, so they're nearly ready for the oven, but we have to poke little holes in the top because that's what most shortbread biscuits are like. Okay, so just put holes in them. Now it's time to put just a pinch of caster sugar over the tops of each of them to help it caramelise. Okay, so just giving those a sprinkle and now we can put them in the oven. Okay, so now they've got holes in and got sugar on, we can put it in the oven for 10 minutes and see how they turn out. Cool, see you in 10 minutes. Okay, so the timer's just gone off and it's time to get them out. I thought they'd expand a bit less than they have, but I think it'll still be okay. Yes, I think that's been successful. See you to try them. Okay, so I think they went really well. They were just cooked, and give them a go. So yeah, they're really, really nice, and you can definitely taste the lemon. They're nice and crunchy, and I think they turned out quite well. The link to the recipe will be down in the description, and hope you enjoyed.